Hey, what's up everybody? Daddy Dave, Street Outlaws.
NPK. This is actually the 6th event we just did this weekend. I got a lot of catching up to do because we've already done 5 other events and haven't put nothing out there for you people. So we're going to kind of catch up, do a once over on Tulsa event. Our team is sitting at number 1 coming into Tulsa. And at the end of the night, we are leaving number 1. We're still number 1, so I'm really happy about that. My test pass is Friday night. We're extremely fast with a car driving to the right. Even driving to the right, it was fast, and we figured we could get a hold of this thing. And we adjusted it and adjusted it. I had Bob here, Jason Wheeler, everyone was here this weekend thrashing on the car, and we adjusted it every pass, and it got better and better, but we never corrected it all the way. So my test pass is Friday night, fast, but driving to the right. Going into Saturday Invitational first round, I got Jeff LUTZ. It didn't disappoint. Like, it did the same thing. We got takeoff going down through there, and it just started pushing to the right. I got over against the wall. Jeff got the win on that deal. Going into the first round Invitational, all 5 of my team was in. After first round, I only had 1 guy left, and it was Axeman. Throughout the weekend, there was some talk about me trading Axeman for Lizzie. That was going to happen, and on paper, it was a pretty even trade. They're both doing pretty good in points, and I was doing it to help Kai out. Of course, everybody knows the Kai-Lizzie drama deal, and I was trying to be a nice guy and help them out, so the offer was put out, and we actually thought about it, and I'm glad we did. Axeman's been loyal. I wanted to finish the season out with the people I started with. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do that because I had 2 of my guys that didn't show up for personal reasons, so I had to replace them. That was out of my control, out of my hands. But I got 1 of them back that we started with, so that was my deal. I wanted to win a championship with the people I started with. So the whole Axeman Lizzie thing, it got axed. Larry's still on my team, and the man went to the semifinals tonight. So glad we didn't make that change. All in all, I'm happy with my team, our team. So we're trying to win this championship for everybody, and it's just my way of saying thank you to everybody that voted. We're all putting in 110% to win this thing. The Audi is giving me fits. We won Bowling Green with it. It's coming around. We're not even halfway through the NPK season, and we've won one. My team's #1. Like, it's nothing but uphill from here, and we're gonna get 110%. Make sure we win this